how are you guys doing today? Hopefully amazing. And today I'm gonna be showing you a car tour, which is like so long awaited, because if you guys don't know, my parents got me like a car in like the beginning of November-ish, and I'm like so happy and so grateful for it. Like this is like beyond my expectations. Like I just expected like, you know, a used 2000 car. Like when they told me they're gonna get me a car, I was like, you know what, any car will do. Like I'm the type of person, like I don't really care what kind of car you get me. At least it's drivable. Like I'm fine with. Like you can just give me like a 1999 car and I'll be fine with it. But they went over and beyond and they got me this what car is this again? I forgot. I think it's what is it? 2013 Acura TSK or something. I'll check in the back. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you the exterior, the interior of this car, and I just love the whole feel of it. And I feel like before I used to like drove like a really pretty rundown car, and I felt insecure about my driving. Like, oh my god, I'm so bad at driving. But then when I drove this car, I was like, okay, I like a low level car more, and I can see the road more, and I feel more confident driving in this. So I feel like if you're ever insecure about driving, just like test out a few cars and see what you're best at. These are my car keys. I like it because like you can like just like whip it out, like whoa, like oh my god, like it's so cool, like whoa. How are you guys doing? All right, should we start this tour? Let's go check out the exterior. Yes, nice view. Okay, I see that. Oof, sleek black look, like I'm in love. Oh, TSX, yeah. So it's a Honda, wait no, it's a Acura 2013 TSX. Oh my god, my brain is really hurting right now. But this is the symbol, it's nice, and Acura, it looks really nice. And this I can just pop out, just press. These windows are like tinted in the back, but my windows aren't tinted at all, which is like pretty good because like I can do stuff like in the back, you know. And yeah, all right, so now for the interior, there are these nice buttons where you can set up like your position of your chair, which is like really cool. Like I feel like I'm in a roller coaster when I press these buttons. Yeah, I don't know what those are. Lock, yeah, I think those are windows. I think so, yes. In the bottom drawer thing, I just keep like a towel for cleaning and a hand sanitizer and napkins because I'm like a klutz. I think that's like to press the door, right? No, that's the front thing, the front of the car. Really don't know what that is. Nope, nothing's that. My coins, yep, not much. Nice wheel, like, yes, okay. Ooh, oh my god, it looks so nice. Oh my god, I love this angle. Like, okay. Oof, okay, let me get that. Okay, alright. Like this, yes. I never tried like these buttons, but there's buttons here. But I usually use like these volumes to like to control my music and stuff. And yeah, that's really all I do. You know these headlights? I don't even know how headlights work. I just like press a button and it works. And like windshield wipers, yes. I'm doing a car tutorial for you guys. And now the fun part, the car station. Okay, so I got this nice station. I love like the audio and stuff and everything. Like it's really like loud. You hear the bass a lot, which I appreciate. And I got this magnet thing, and this like saves me so much because I can stick my phone. I can just stick my phone right here, and then it sticks. Like how cool is that? And I can see, like I can swerve, and then like okay, I can look at the directions. Like okay, oh okay, and change the music. Boop boop boop. Yes. All right. All the AC stuff, all that, all those jazz. On this plug right here, I think the cigarette machine right here, I plugged in this nice like Bluetooth speaker thing, and I really recommend this thing if you guys don't have like a Bluetooth like audio in your car. And you could easily just buy an aux cord, but like where's the fun in that? And it also has a port right here so you can plug in like a charger. Like oh my god, it's a 2-in-1. We love 2-in-1s. How could I forget the Santa Claus bobblehead right here? I stick it on here with a command strip. Yeah, I'm really not that innovative, but is that the right word? I don't think I used that word right. But yeah, he's there, he's standing. Probably gonna keep it there for like 3 more months. Okay, down here, I can just press this button and it goes up. And then I got my lotion, gum, and like some chapstick in there, right? And this one, I got like floss. And yeah, just floss. Oh yeah, and on top of my thing, I have this nice cute Santa Claus thing I got from Bath & Body Works, and I put a scent in here. Like, they come with these scents. Let me show you. These are what the scents look like. They have a lot of different scents and they smell really good. But I currently have the scent Winter Candy Apple in there, and you know me, like I love Winter Candy Apple. And I also have another one right here so I can like get another scent, and this one has Winter Candy Apple as well. Yes, ladies. And I love this mirror too because I get a really nice view of myself. Ooh, I'm glowy or whatever. All right, next to my like rear mirror, I attached this really nice big ass mirror, and it's called, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like the brand Broadway. And if you guys can't tell, my mirror is still there, like it's right there. But I connected this huge ass mirror there so I can see like my whole rear ass and everything, because like I hit a lot of things, not surprisingly, but this will kind of prevent it, like maybe give me a slight less chance of hitting things, and I can see better in my view. So and it's a really good mirror too, so yes. And it was really cheap. It was like 10-15 bucks I think, so I think it's worth the investment. Yes boys. All right, next up here, light whatever, sunglasses. Oh my god, okay, oh shit. Okay, what else is there? What else is there to show? What else do you guys want to see? Nice handle stick, like yes, love that. All right, and here I just have a lot of wires. I have a USB. Okay, I have a USB charger for me or for my guests. I just put that in the back right there, and I got like Sharpies and aux, more chapstick. Wow. All right, now in the back of the car, there's not much to show here. It's just a nice area to just chill and sit. I don't really have anything here. These are what the departments look like. Yes. Nice water bottle. Oh, this is a big ass speaker. Like, look at that. That's like, oh, the stand, this bottom thing you just put down has cup holders. Love that. Love that for us. And also, oh my god, they have like 3 big ass speakers right here as well, which is perfect. Another one right here, which is amazing. And yeah, I think that's like it. And yeah, I think that's it for my car tour. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. I just want to record this so I can like look back on the day where my parents got me a car, and like I was so happy of it and I'm so proud of it. And I wish just one day I can just like give back to my parents and everything and my like family, because I feel like they did so much to me and they're still doing so much for me, and I just like, I feel like I've been such a disappointment lately, like more than usual. So you never know. Hopefully I can change that, and hopefully I can make them proud of me somehow. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, just make sure to comment down below letting me know what I can improve, because I know there's a lot of things. And make sure to like this video if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you guys so much. I'm not even kidding this time.
Don't wanna be like everybody else. I was born to break through, I was born to stand out. It took a while, but now I see ain't nobody better to be but me. I'm good.
Ooh, hey guys, I just want to send this clip of me in the car at night, because like look at this, like oh my god, are you guys ready for this? You guys are not ready for this. Like, are you guys ready? Oh my goodness, let me turn off the lights. Oh my god, it's in the back too. Look at that. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. So this is really irrelevant, but I just got the new Super Smash game, and oh my god, I could not be more excited. And if you guys play this game, just let me know like who's your main, I think I'm a main Peach or something, but you know, I don't know, you never know.